Hi students, this is Mrs. Shields. I'm going to walk you through how to make a mind map. You will be making a mind map for some of your chapters in government. Okay, so after you've read the chapter, we want to pay special attention to the titles and the subtitles in the chapter. So you can make a mind map by using an 8x11 sheet of paper with some markers. You can use a free mind map editor on your computer called Wise Mapping. You can use one on your phone called My Mind, or you can use a template that I've created for you. This template is probably the easiest one to use, so that's the one I'm going to walk you through. So just by clicking on the word template, it will save it to your computer. So here's the template. Alrighty, so you will want to put your name on it and the chapter. You can see I've already put chapter 1. And then coming down to the mind map, we'll start by putting Principles of Government, which is the name of chapter 1. And then the very next title is Government and Its Purposes, and that's on page 3. So we are going to type in Government and Its Purposes. And then the next title is 4 Characteristics of a Nation State. So I am going to put that right here, 4 characteristics of a nation, state. Okay, that title was on page 3. We're turning now to page 4. We have purposes. We'll put in here. The next title I'm going to put is Origins of Government. Okay, and then there's another title that I don't have a box for, so I'm going to grab one of the extra boxes and bring it down, make it a little bit bigger, take one of the lines, connect it, and then go ahead and type in power and forms of government. And then as I look through under power and forms of government, I want to add 2 more titles to this, okay? So I can borrow one from over here since I'm not going to need it. I think I might do that, borrow this one since I'm not using it. Or I can grab one from up here and use that one along with one of these extra, like that. And then I can put in here elites, because that was the next title on page 8. And up here I can put in forms of government. Now, if I wanted to make that a little bit bigger, I just grab an edge and make it a little bit bigger. Now, that is all you have to do. If you want to go through and delete these just to make it pretty, like delete some of these, you can, but you don't have to, okay? You can just leave them there, save it to your computer under your name, Chapter 1 Mind Map, and then upload it and hit the Submit button. I do want to show you a more complex mind map. Here's a more complex mind map that I made earlier that you can see when we talk about origins of government. I actually list the 4 origins mentioned in your book. Here we have government and its purposes. I have 4 characteristics of a nation state: territory, population, sovereignty, government. The purposes of government, I list the 5 purposes. Over here it mentions elite. I didn't mark any more boxes with that one, but forms of government, I went ahead and put the different forms mentioned in your book: unitary, federal, confederations, parliamentary, presidential, and number who participate. So this will really help you study, but you only have to do this one, okay? This is a simple one. You can do the more complex one if you want to. If you have any questions, please email me.